Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily search for an image in Google. So you can upload an image to Google and let Google find that image, or maybe if you saw a shirt or something and you want to buy it and you can't find the link to that, you can use it for that purposes as well. So first thing you'll have to do is open your browser and head on to images.google.com and click on enter. This will open up this page. So what you'll have to do is click on this camera icon, and now you can upload the file you want to search for. So I will just upload this to show you how it's done, and now drag it to here and drop it here. And now you can see it shows visual matches of this right here. I can open this OnePlus account or anything else like that. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.